Hey guys, welcome to the project Mixology. My name is Saurabh, Raje, I'm your bartender. So as this is our slush season, we are going to be making a lovely orange blossom today, full of vitamin C and some vodka also. So in order to make our drink, we are going to be needing some oranges, lemon juice, mint and vodka in it. So let's blend it. Alright, so in the blender jar, we got ice already. It's time to add some fresh oranges. Make sure there are no seeds in it. Then I'm going to be adding some vodka, 60 ml. You can put 90 also, the way you want, depends on your palate. I put a little bit more, that's fine. Some mint and a lemon squeeze to give that citrusity to it. Alright, now let's blend it. Alright, so our drink is ready. Let's pour it. It has become watery, which is fine at all. Looking wonderful. It's time for garnish. We are going to use an orange slice. Alright, that looks wonderful. And a mint on top. And there you have it, the orange blossom. And now it's time to try, so let's do it. We got a straw here, always. And let's do it. Oh boy. It's really lovely, really refreshing, and so earthy, and it's wonderful. So again, thanks for watching this video and give it a try and stay tuned.